Welcome to Jahia Digital Experience Manager Server Administration. In this tutorial, you will learn about the basic configuration functions. Please also see the rest of our DX administration mode tutorials for more in-depth information. First, I'll give you some background. A user with administrator role or the proper permissions can access the server administration. Any changes made here affect all web projects or sites on the platform. If you're using a digital demonstration site, you can log in as the super administrator called root and also use root as the password. Then you can follow along with what I'm doing so you can learn for yourself. Navigate to my dashboard. In the dashboard, click on the arrow under Administration next to Digital. This displays the Site Settings panel in Edit mode. Now, access the DX menu and select Administration. About gives you information about the DX version and the build, as well as your license expiration date and the features that are currently activated. Database displays the database configuration. In the Mail Server area, it displays the current mail server configuration and also allows you to set up a mail server or make changes to the current configuration used to send notifications. First, turn on the mail service by clicking the button at the top. Set up the mail server hostname here. This field also allows you to enter the username and password, port number, and additional optional parameters using the format shown. For information on additional parameters, see the server administration documentation. For the mail administrator, this is an optional field to add the email addresses of users who should receive system-level notifications. In Mail From, you can enter the email address that sends all the notifications. Set the advanced notification level to the level that you prefer for the email notification that go out to system administrators. Click Test Settings to send a test email to the mail administrator, or click Save to exit. Search Settings displays the default search provider as well as any alternative providers. Thank you for watching and learning about DX server configuration. Please also see our other DX tutorials and documentation, including the server administration videos.